Hypoactive insomnia. So you've gone through my guidebook and you've identified, oh, maybe you have hypoactive insomnia. Then your next question is, I have hypoactive insomnia, then what's the next step? Step two is identify which of the four types of insomnia are you? Are you the emotional, you the hormonal, the metabolic, or the psychiatric? And whichever I am, what do I do next, Jimmy? What did you do? Well, first of all, I can't tell you what to do because I'm not your provider. And this is not medical advice. These videos are educational purpose only. I'm only sharing what I have done in practice with our patients. I've treated thousands of patients, 20 plus years. So today I'm going to show you if you have hypoactive insomnia, I'm going to share with you what I have done for our patients in clinic. This is going to be on today. So let's just review what I was talking about, the four types of insomnia, right? These are the four main types that I have discovered after 20 plus years of clinical practice and treating thousands of patients: emotional, hormonal, metabolic, and psychiatric. You're not going to learn this in any Chinese medicine textbook because this is my self-discovery and only my team practices this way. So emotional insomnia is a liver dysfunction. Hormonal insomnia is adrenal and kidney dysfunction. Metabolic is spleen and stomach. Psychiatric is heart. Now, today we're talking mostly about hypoactive, right? So hypoactive liver dysfunction, adrenal dysfunction, spleen for the metabolic, and for the psychiatric is the heart. So I'm going to go over what I have done for our patients in our clinic. So one of the foundational formulas that I created myself was this formula that I call lights out light. So light is more like hypoactive. When I used it in our practice, I used it for all types of hypoactive insomnia. It doesn't matter if you have emotional, you have metabolic, you have psychiatric, or hormonal. It doesn't matter. This formula will cover all of it. This is a foundational formula for all hypoactive insomnia. Now, is it the only formula I use for all of our patients? No, it is not. But this is the foundation. Every hypoactive insomnia patient would get this formula. And then, if needed, I would add on additional formulas that would address their specific organ dysfunction. So if it was hypoactive emotional insomnia, which is a liver dysfunction, then I may add on another formula that addresses liver hypofunction. But before I did that, this formula covers, I would say, 80%. It produced phenomenal results. It helped at least 80% of the patients just using this one formula. And I wanted to go over this formula, lights out. This is available in my company called restorativlongevity.com. There's three main herbs that are in this formula. One is jujube seed, which is Suan Zao Ren. One is poria, which is Shen, and Oriental arborvitae seed, Bai Zi Ren. These three are the main herbs in here. They're not the only herbs. I use a lot of herbs. And that's one of my secrets. But the jujube, what does it do? It calms restlessness, supports falling and staying asleep. Side benefits is when you take Suan Zao Ren, jujube seed, you could also ease your tension and support calmer nights. Is there a possible side effect? Yes, herbs have side effects, but if you use them correctly, you won't experience any of them. Possible stomach upset. Not really. It may add to sedative effects. So sedative, which means it calms you down, which is a good side. Actually, they call it side effect. I call it side benefit, right? So the next one is poria, which is Shen. Traditionally calms the mind, supports sleep disrupted by worry or frequent waking. That's why it's in this formula. My formula lights out light. Side benefits, it also helps your digestion and healthy fluid balance. Side effects, digestive upset or allergy may occur. Safety data are limited. Next one, Oriental arborvitae seed, Bai Zi Ren. It also calms the heart, spirit, and supports restful sleep. Side benefit, it's a seed. All seeds have oils. So if all seeds are laxatives, they can moisten the bowels, right? So the side effect could be a little loose stool, a digestive upset. So again, these are just three of the main herbs in this formula, but I have tons of herbs in this formula. It's my secret. You can't find this anywhere else except for two places: on my website, Restorative Longevity, or in my clinic. So again, even though herbs have side effects, but depending on how you combine them, they can neutralize the side effects. So all these formulas, they were created by me. I intentionally combine herbs to neutralize these side effects. Does it mean that if you take this herb, this formula, you won't get side effects? No, it doesn't. But it minimizes most of the side effects. I would say out of all our patients, maybe 1% of our patients would get side effects. 99% of our patients do not because of the way that I formulated them and combined them with different herbs. So how does this differ from sleep medication? Well, my herbal formulas are restorative. They're not a Band-Aid. They help the symptom, but more importantly, they address the root causes. You want to go back to my video about the 4 types of insomnia, and they will tell you which organs are the root causes. My formulas focus on those root causes, those organs, right? So your liver, your adrenal glands, your kidneys, your spleen, and your heart. This formula can restore those organ systems. And that's the difference. Sleep medication, they're not restorative. You got to take them every day. My formula, once your organs are restored, you won't need to take my formula anymore until you damage your organs again, okay? My formulas don't prevent stupidity. It doesn't prevent carelessness, not taking care of your body. It doesn't prevent any of that. But it can help, at least for our patients in our clinic. I cannot guarantee it for you because you're not my patient. I haven't examined you, but I can just speak for my patients in my clinic and for my team. They use these formulas to restore organ functions for their patients that come to our clinic. And once their organs are restored, their functions are restored, they don't need to take these herbs anymore. So that is for lights out light. This is, again, for hypoactive insomnia. Now, if you like this slides and you're like, hey, well, Jimmy, where do I get these slides? These slides are part of my insomnia guidebook. If you don't have this, you can just comment below the word sleepy and my team will see it and they'll send you a link to get free access to my insomnia guidebook, which has all this information.